Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the latest update on Roblox and showing you how to view your block list on PC. If you've ever wanted to manage who you interact with or just check your blocked users, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open Roblox on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface. Now take a look at the left side menu. You'll see a variety of options, but for now, we want to click on More. This section is where you'll find additional features and settings, so it's a handy spot to explore. After you've clicked on More, the menu will expand. Here, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize your Roblox experience, including adjusting your privacy options. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Privacy tab. Click on that. This is where all your privacy settings are stored, including who can interact with you and, importantly, your block list. Now, here's the deal. Scroll down, and you'll find the section labeled Blocked Users. This is where all the accounts you've blocked will be displayed. You can easily view who you've blocked, and if you ever want to unblock someone, you can do that from this very list, too. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your block list on Roblox with just a few simple steps. Remember, keeping your gaming experience safe and enjoyable is key, so don't hesitate to manage your blocked users as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!